Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can install WebStorm in your Windows operating system and how to run any HTML code there. Okay. So WebStorm is popular for AngularJS, Bootstrap, HTML, Node.js, React and Vue.js. But today we are going to only see the HTML project. Okay. So before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. So first of all, you need to open your favorite browser and search for WebStorm. And as you can see, you need to visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.jetbrains.com. Just click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page, where as you can see, WebStorm is the smartest JavaScript IDE. Okay, so for download this, you need to click on the download. And as you can see at the time making this video, the WebStorm version is 2022.1. And for install this, here is the system requirement, which needs 64-bit version of Microsoft Windows, 2 GB free RAM, and 2.5 GB hard disk free space. Okay, so at the top of the download option, as you can see, the WebStorm is not a free software. It's included with free 30 days trial, but don't worry about it, because in this video we are going to activate our WebStorm with our JetBrains free license account. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a free license account in JetBrains.com, don't worry about it. You need to visit the link in the description below, where I show you the step-by-step process how you can create a free license account in JetBrains.com. Okay, so for download this, just click on the download, and as you can see, it's around 387.93 MB. Just download it. So once our download is complete, just open the folder, and here is our WebStorm exe file. For install this, you need to double click on it, and once you double click on it, it will show you the welcome widget. Here you need to just click on the next option, and then it will show you the installation location and our destination folder where our WebStorm is installed. And here is the space required, which needs around 1.6 GB. Okay, so if you want, you can change the destination folder, but I don't want to change. So just again click here next option, and as you can see, here is the installation option, and here you need to choose here some of checkbox like create your desktop shortcut, update your context menu, create your association, and the last one is update path variable, which is going to create a path in our environment variable. Okay, so after that, just choose here again next, and here is your start menu folder. I just set it as by default and choose here install, and our installation is complete. But as you can see, it say your computer must be restart in order to complete the installation of WebStorm. So at this point, you need to restart your PC. Just choose here reboot now and choose here finish. Then it will automatically restart your PC. Okay. So once our restart is complete, now it's time to open our WebStorm. Okay. Just to double click on it. And once you double click on it, it will show you the message of import WebStorm settings. I just choose here do not import settings and choose here OK. And as you can see, once you open the WebStorm, it will show you this license page where you need to activate your WebStorm, or you can start trial. Okay. But we are going to activate our WebStorm with our JetBrains free license account. For doing this, just choose here activate WebStorm, and from the get license from choose here JB account and click on the login to JetBrains account, and it will bring you to the browser and tell you to log in with your free license account. Okay. So after sign in, it will show you the authorization successful. Now you can close this page and return to your IDE. Just close the browser, and as you can see, here is our license. Just click on the activate, and our license is activate successful. And here is the subscription date. Now just simply choose here continue, and for write here any code, you need to create here a new project. Just click on it. So at the left side of this window, you can see here how many types of project you can open through this WebStorm, which is Angular, Bootstrap, Express, HTML, Node.js, React, and Vue.js. Okay. So from here, I just choose here the Bootstrap and click on the create. And for write here any HTML code, you need to right click on it and choose here new and choose here HTML file, and you need to give here your HTML file name. And as you can see, here is our HTML. Now you can write here any type of HTML code. So I just simply write here a hello world code in h1 tag, and for run this you can choose here any kind of option. I just choose here Google Chrome because this is installed in my Windows operating system. And as you can see, here is the output, which is hello world. So I hopefully guys you properly understand how you can install the WebStorm in your Windows operating system and how to write here any HTML code and how to run it. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And I will see you guys in this next one, inshallah. Thank you so much.